Well, here we are. It's about 11:30 on Sunday afternoon. We're finally in the parking lot at the Pentagon. Let's take a little pan around here, show you what part of this lot looks like so far. They will start the parade or demonstration at noon at one of the other lots, and this lot doesn't expect to move until 3 or 4 o'clock this afternoon. So we'll be here documenting and letting you all see what we're seeing as the day goes on, besides our sunburns. Till later. Well, here we are now. It's about 12:30. We've moved.
Hang on, my hell out of your here. I'm trying anyway. You don't quit moving.
We're relocated to another parking lot, and this is one of the small overflow lots. The main lot has, they're expecting about 500,000 bikes in it. There's Liz sitting on the wing. So you can see just from here how many bikes there are. They had 400,000 last year for the, I think it was the 20th anniversary of Rolling Thunder. That's the lot we were in and decided to move. They told us we'd get out of here faster. We shall see. So, give you a little bit more a little bit later. And that's it for now. Well, Dad, here's part of Rolling Thunder for you. Couple of minutes of this. Somewhere near the Veterans Wall. Exactly where, I'm not sure. Yeah, I know I'm not much of a tour guide without a map, but to give you an idea, we're parking in, you can see way up in the distance over here. We have bikes way, oops, sorry, that's trees. Yeah, I'm shaking like a leaf because I've been on this bike all day, so just hope you took your Dramamine before you looked at this video. I'll slow down here, pan slowly, don't think you know, just try that again. See all the bikes on the far side on another part of the park. Yeah, I need to get out of the trees, don't I? Oh, there's a bike. Oh, there's the trees. Okay, there we go. Hey, there's more bikes. And we'll come back out wide. Show you this side of the tree. There's my ride with our 2008 Rolling Thunder flag promptly attached to the antenna. Now mind you, what you're seeing here is the last 2 parking lots at the Pentagon, and there are still thousands of bikes. That guy right there on that stripe I see at Haymarket all the time. And here's Liz trying to get her ass run over while taking some stills. there's a trike I've not seen before. Holy God. God bless. That I believe may be the end of it because and that looks to be the end of Rolling Thunder 2008. I'm providing commentary. Yeah, hopefully this Steadicam thing works out because I am just shaking like a damn leaf. Alright, there. Hopefully the zoom factor has made everyone appropriately nauseous, and I am signing off.